What it do, YouTube? It's your girl Big G, aka Ginger, aka Lil Gingy, and I am back with another video. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what's up. It's about to get wicked.
Me, do you see me? Make a nigga feel me. Going hard every day. I can't never catch a break. Snakes all in my face. I'm just trying to stay sane.
Yes. I don't know where to begin. This is my first YouTube video that I'm posting in like 3 years. I think my last YouTube video was the MEPS video, and I posted that in like 2021 or so. So I apologize, you guys. I'm not really a social media person. And at the time when I was doing YouTube, it was COVID, and I know that was like the perfect time to like get your viewers up and get people watching, but I don't know, once I like joined the military and then I came back, I just got busy doing everything else. You know, I was still in school at the time, so I apologize for the wait, but I'm not here to ramble. You guys, you could tell by the description of the video, today is my costume unpacking. Okay, you guys are gonna unpack my 2024 Ramajay Carnival costume with me, all right? So let's get into it. So first off, this is the bag that the masqueraders received, the duffel bag with their costumes inside of it. And then, of course, for Juve, we get the classic drawstring bag. So I actually picked up, all in all, in total, 3 costumes, 3 Juve packages. I went with my boyfriend. I got his costume, his Juve, my costume, my Juve, and my battle buddies costume and her Juve, right? So we're gonna unpack my stuff though. As you can see, pieces of my feathers are in the back. So you guys, I am playing, like I said, with Ramajay, and usually carnival bands, their Juve is like a different name. So like if you're playing with K-Paya, their Juve name is like Red Ants. If you're playing with Gen X, I think those are like the Gen Xers or something like that. I don't remember what their Juve name is. One Island band, they have like Dutty Island or something like that. So for Ramajay, our Juve name is Juverniles, right? So this is the drawstring bag. This is it front and back. It's just a regular drawstring bag. Not extra sturdy material, but it's sturdy enough, like a waterproof drawstring. You know, just a drawstring. So once I open up the drawstring, first thing first is my Juve shirt. So I love pink for one because it's October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Rest in peace, Big D to Dawn. Yeah, you see the breast cancer awareness something. And this is the shirt, you guys. So it's pink. I got it in a medium because I like when my shirts fit me a little bit big, even though I'm gonna cut it up. And then in the middle, of course, it says Juverniles. So just like I put this one side. And that's pink, good material and everything. For my band, even though you can play in a band, you know, they have different costume makers and stuff. So my costume makers company is called Vie Carnival. So she gave us this cute little goodie bag pouch, and it's also a fanny pack. So I'm going to be wearing this on Juve Day because it's waterproof, and we're going to just open it up. So in this cute little pouch, see if I could get it open for you guys, because I have on nails. Ever since I've gotten these long nails, I just have been struggling with everything. So once you open up the packet, you get your Juve ticket, because one thing I don't like about Juve, which I think is very stupid, smart too, because some people lose things a lot, but you have to have your wristband, of course, for the band, but to get into the park for Juve, you have to have your ticket. So this right here is just your Ramajay Carnival ticket. This is what's gonna get you all your unlimited drinks, your food from the truck so they can identify you and stuff like that. This is just to get into the park. In order to be like showing that you are a masquerader, you have to have this band. Lastly, band number 3 is the Juve band that I was telling you about. The same thing like the first Ramajay one, just to show that you're with the band. All right, so you have those 3 wristbands, the ticket. Next up in the bag, we have a hydration kit right here, like a liquid IV. It's not liquid IV, but it's one of those. I really appreciate this. They gave us 2 mini flushable moist towelette wipes. I appreciate that because I like to travel with wipes on me anyway. So I love that it's so small. I don't have to bring a whole packet. And then They gave us 2 extra strength Tylenol. You know, some people, they get hangovers. All right. And lastly, she gave us, the section leader, an advanced Mucin power sheet mask. Yeah, power sheet mask. Snail Mucin power sheet mask. So I will use that after Carnival because I'm not going to experiment with my face right before the day, you know? I have a broke out or something and you have to go to Carnival with your allergic reaction. And then remember too, if you have like a makeup appointment, that not the slide. Alrighty, next up, and excuse my voice, I have like a little hoarseness in my voice from the Nicki Minaj concert, and my baby brother has like a cold a little bit, so you know I've been putting on my mask and distancing. We have the Juve cup. Oh my goodness, you guys, I was so happy when they showed us that we have a cup and not a bottle, because when they're advertising Juve, they shown like this water bottle, you know, the one where you like pull out to suck it and then push back in. I was like, no, Carnival culture is giving souvenir cups. We love the souvenirs. So this is our Juve cup. Look how pretty. For one, she's pink, of course. And then I just love the clear. And then this up here, you can put like snacks in it. It's like one of those rim cups, you know, you can put snacks in it or something small real quick while you're drinking, you know. And then it comes with the straw. I don't think I have to open it for you guys. And then it comes with the straw. So I love this. It's very cute. And the last thing in this Juvert bag will be our Carnival cups. You just put them all in the same bag. And that's why I wasn't in the bag with my costume. Carnival cup is amazing too, you guys. So this is the theme for our band this year, and I think it's Free Spirit, Wild Hearts. It matches the theme perfectly, and all of our costumes, like every section, whether you're frontline, midline, backline, every single section that's in Ramajay band, their costume matches this entire cup. So I felt like this was very well done. And of course it comes with a metal straw for the day of Carnival. So I'm very appreciative for that. It's the little things, you know, because after Carnival's all said and done, you do go home with your Juve cup or bottle. You do go home with your Carnival cup or bottle. So I like that they put thought into it, because this is something that we're going to be holding on to. You know, people are going to be bringing these cups and stuff to work, and that shows off the band year round. You know, people are like, oh, what's Ramajay? What's this? What's Carnival? I want to go with them next year. So I like when they take pride in that. So that's everything for my Juve package. Now I'm going to move on to my Parade Day Carnival Day, the day you guys are all waiting to see. All right, you guys, so you guys are gonna actually do like a little mini try on with me. I have not tried on my costume as of yet. I just got it last night and kept it in the bag, but you know we have to try on the costume. So I'm gonna first insert right here in front of me, or in the next slide, what my costume looks like. Let me give you guys a second to look at it. Amazing. My costume section is named Aurora, and it's so funny because I always said I wanted to name my daughter Aurora. That's one of the names that I would name my daughter. So first up, we have my leg pieces. If you reference back to the photo, those are the extravagant feathered leg pieces. Let's just go ahead, open it up. Oh my goodness, not y'all, some of the feathers just got ripped out into their little sticker thing. I am so delicate with the Carnival costumes, because last thing you want is for your costume to mash up and you haven't even gotten on the road yet. But they're so extremely delicate. That's what I don't like about Carnival. So we don't need to try on both of them. It's 2 pieces. We just need to try on one. Ross. Okay. How am I going to tie this with my nails? I don't know, Lord, because I'm already struggling. All right, cool. So I am going to tie this onto my feet, and then I'll come back to the camera for you. All right, you guys, this is it. Sorry, you know, just trying it on. It's very big. I love that, because I did get an ultra frontline, premium ultra frontline. So this is how the feathered pieces look on your leg. I'm tiny as well and bow-legged, so that's why it looked like that. That's how the back would look. So very beautiful. Looks exactly like the picture. We're gonna give this piece a 10 out of 10. Now let me take it off. Next piece, okay? So next up, we have our headpiece. So this is our tiara. Unlike other bands, my costume, because it's already so big, they didn't give us like a super big headpiece. They gave us a tying headpiece, right? And I also love this because it won't get caught into things. It's easier to put on. All right, you guys, this is my tiara. It's very beautiful. And we're gonna try it on right now. This is how it's going to look on me. We're just gonna do a quick little tie. It's way more extravagant than it looked in the picture. Like, this is very, I don't know if it's because of my hair. I love this. It's very pretty. Let me just smile for you guys. I'm gonna be looking so pretty on the road. That's a problem right there with the feathers and my lips. I will be having on lip gloss, so we're gonna have to watch that. But that is the tiara. All right, you guys, next piece will be our thong panty. I'm trying on everything with you guys on this video because, like I said, yesterday when I got this costume, I didn't get the chance to try it on. As you've seen in the picture that I showed you, this comes up to cover my stomach as well. I'm trying to figure the hell this out. Okay, here we go. Yes, it comes up to cover my stomach as well. So I'm gonna go try this on really quickly, and then I'm gonna come show you guys. It's not like a super string thong panty or anything because I like to be fully covered. Here are the details, you guys. Very beautiful, very shiny, very glitz and glam. So that's gonna come up over my belly button. So I shall return. All right, if you guys can see this, I'm not gonna reposition my camera. I just want you guys to get imagery. I had to pull it up, so all of this don't get so covered. Thank God I'm gonna have on them freaking stockings too. But whole coochie area is covered, making sure everything's good there. I also like that right here, y'all. It has mesh, as you can see, and I said it comes up to my stomach. So nothing will be easily shown or anything like that. And then when I turn around, it is a thong panty, but it's in there, it's covering. It's nothing too revealing. If you know me, I don't like being naked on the road. I like to be fully covered. So thank God that the costume I chose, it has that mesh right there. So even if you do feel like right above your crotch area, it's worth to show, the mesh covers you up nice and clear. And on top of that, I'm gonna have on my carnival stocking. Chef's kiss, okay? Well covered on the road. Okay, guys, next piece of our carnival costume is going to be the neck piece. That rhymes. Next piece is the neck piece. Next piece is the neck piece. Next piece is the neck piece. Like I said, I have a premium ultra frontline costume. So this neck piece also goes down to my arms. See if I can let me show it to you. Neck piece and the details, right? I believe it goes on my neck like so. They're gonna tie it around my neck, and then this part would go on my shoulders like that and like that. And as you guys can see, it has like the feathers right here that is hanging with the chain. So Lord have mercy, it's gonna be like this. And yes, I'm gonna be very blinged out. I am so tiny though, y'all. So when I put on carnival costumes, I am very small. So I tried to get the smallest costume to ensure that it has a nice fit. Because when you go to carnival, you don't wanna have on a big costume. Like, even if the costume is beautiful, it'll look hideous on you because it just can't fit. So right here, it said these are my thigh pieces. Let's try them on. I thought the thigh pieces were going to be a part of the monokini, but then again, when I really thought about it, I was like, how are they going to put all of this into a monokini and then package it? So, and they also have like all right, you guys, so the one I had was the right one. This one is the left one. As you can see, I hooked it to my boxers. You can see the details and everything. I'm not gonna tie the mesh, but just to give you guys an example of what I was talking about, you would take a piece of the mesh, and then you would tie it around your leg like so, and then you'll do that all the way down. So this part will be on your thigh, inner thigh, this part will be. All right, the very, very, very last part of the body wear of the costume will be my wire bra. This is my wire bra, you guys. Listen, this is a 32B because I am a baby cup. Barely have breasts, but they sit up, so that gives me a lead. This is the bra, you guys. Sorry, I'm talking a lot. This is the confusing part. So this is one of those bras where it's a full coverage bra, right? So I will put it on my breast like this. Oh my goodness, my friend. Guys, I'm scared. Why it looks so, oh, I have the bra upside, right? I have the bra upside down because I was putting it on like so. I'm confused. I think I had the bra upside down, guys. Yes. Okay, cool. I had the bra upside down because I got scared. Guys, I have returned. As you can see, this costume has turned me every which way but loose. But we figured it out. It didn't take me long. So this is how the bra is supposed to be worn. Apologies when you put it on. That'll kind of be under your cleavage area. It's going to be worn like so. And then I just went ahead and pre-tied a knot so I know which part I'm going to put over my head. And then also for the extra string right here, I'm going to put that around my like upper back area. So that's how the bra looks. Very cute. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And if you get into the details of the fabric, I love that as well. Bands now, before they never used to do this, they'll just have one colored fabric. They incorporate a pattern on the fabric, and that's holographic because they notice that that gives the look more detail. So that's it for my carnival costume unpacking. I am gonna insert a separate clip. I'm gonna position the camera so you guys can see me put my backpack together. I had to break my backpack apart. You guys know how the backpacks now, you can like put it together, break it apart. I had to break the backpack apart so it can fit into my vehicle. So I'm gonna put it together, try it on, and then I'm gonna take it back apart and then put it back into my vehicle. I know, mind-blowing. And I won't touch it until Carnival Day, until time for the photo shoot, until it's time to go on the road. So I will be right back and then I'll insert that clip after. And I promise like today I go jump like I never jump, rave like I never wave, wine like I never wine before, just to show you I sorry, and I need you back in my life. Look at people body drunk, emotions running high. Let's see if I can walk up. We are up in the sky, it is running, we are just to say that we sorry, and we need you back in my life. Carnival come back home. Whoa. Y'all don't even understand how big it is. Like, the camera doesn't even do it justice. I am 5'5", and this thing is well over 6 foot. Hey guys, don't mind how I look. I'm in my room right now. It's hours after. It's like 10 o'clock at night right now. Juve is tomorrow. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I am back and in full effect. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what's up. It just got wicked.
Me, do you see me? Make a nigga feel me. Going hard every day. I can't never catch a break. Snakes all in my face. I'm just trying to stay sane,